Tear it all down only to rebuild. Your habits, the pole that you continue to walk into, the bad foods, the beverages that weigh, your old self, who you see every single day. Tear it all down only to rebuild. In this case, it's okay to burn bridges. It's okay to burn roads. You're starting new. Burn the ship so you have nothing to go back to. Tear it all down. When you begin to wrap up the old, when you get rid of the things that clutter, you'll have a pathway. You'll have a way to get out of here. You'll have a way to get this off of you. You must tear it all down. Throw away those things in the pantry. Go into the refrigerator and find the things that make you weak. Find it. Go into your closet. Bag up all of the sizes you do not want to see anymore. Tear it all down. Tear it all down. You're coming for the best you this time, and nothing is going to stop you this time around. This year is going to be about you because you're going to make this year about you. You have enough time. You have enough time to shed something. The spring and the summer, they're on their way. Tear it all down to gain. Tear it all down to have the you that you want. It's okay to burn the ship, to burn bridges in this case. You're not leaving. You're not leaving this grind. You're not leaving the sweat. You're not leaving the blood that comes, nor the tears. You're going to give yourself a chance to turn into someone. You're going to give yourself a chance to have those eyes on you, the world. Show up because you have to show up anyway. Respond because you have to respond anyway. It's how you respond. It's about how you look. Tear it all down only to rebuild.